October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and Trojan Outreach is doing a 3-day campaign to show awareness for domestic violence, and it all started Monday with the Clothesline Project.
Today we're doing the Clothesline Project. The Clothesline Project is a campaign that raises awareness for sexual assault survivors specifically, but we're really trying to hone in on not just sexual assault, but interpersonal violence as well.
Trojan Outreach is also trying to make people aware of what domestic violence is and that it can affect more than just one type of person.
Domestic violence, there's a lot of stereotypes surrounding it. You would only really think that it's a husband beating a wife or something of that nature, but it's so much more than that. Men can also be victims of domestic violence, but alongside of that, it's not just physical assault. It can be financial manipulation, it can be emotional or psychological manipulation, and it doesn't just have to happen within romantic partners. It can also happen with roommates.
Student organizations and clubs were asked to make t-shirts with facts about domestic violence, encouraging words, or even saying how they have been affected by domestic violence.
So we have shirts that organizations made showing their support, and you can also, students have come up and made like paper shirts to hang on a little clothesline saying things like I support survivors, or just like little sayings like stay strong, be brave, just like little encouragements.
Trojan Outreach will be on the quad tomorrow from 10 until 2, and they will be doing These Hands Don't Hurt, where students can make a pledge saying that they will stand against domestic violence. Aaron Dixon, Troy, TrojanVision News.